Hey, it's Kent here from Apprentice Recruit, and today we picked up a position for a saw operator slash factory hand for a company based in Rochdale. So if you've got experience working in a factory and using a drop saw, then this position could be for you. We've got a full-time role going for a manufacturing company based in Rochdale in South Brisbane, and they're looking for somebody who's had experience working in a factory environment before, in assembly type environment, and somebody who has some sort of experience working a drop saw. Now, these guys manufacture aluminium doors and windows, so you need to be very accurate with your measuring and cutting. Also, very good with limiting your wastage from each of the different materials that you are using. And happy to be working in an environment where that's essentially what you are doing all day, every day. As I mentioned, this is a permanent full-time role, and it's an ongoing position with this particular company. They've been in industry for a number of years, and they produce some really high-end quality products. And they've got quite a large factory, and it's a state-of-the-art factory that is based down in Rochdale. It is full-time, so you will get holiday pay and sick pay, and the hourly rate will vary anywhere from around $22 to $23 per hour full-time. So if you know anybody who you feel as though may be interested in this particular role, or if you may be interested in it yourself, we will leave a link in the description below on how you can apply. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification button so that as future positions come through, you'll get notified straight away and you can have your resume at the top of the pile. So it's Kent once again from Apprentice Recruit. Thanks.